Good evening, guys. Mike Padua here, and we are continuing our coverage or update on tropical disturbance LPA Vicky for this Saturday evening, December 19, 2020, and this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. As you can see, this tropical system is still a low pressure area, somewhat pag-asa, and JMA continues to define it as a tropical depression. We respect their decisions, but based on the Devrak satellite analysis, it's still disorganized with its low-level circulation center somewhat obscured and not yet fully defined. And right now, on the latest on the system, it has passed Palawan. Okay. So the cloudless center of the system has passed northwest of Palawan, and it's now over the West Philippine Sea with most of its convection to the northwest. And this is our track around 5 p.m. this afternoon, and this will be the movement or the motion of this system. It might still develop into tropical depression before moving out of the Philippine area of responsibility, but we are no longer going to issue tropical cyclone advisories, just the 24-hour storm watch, since it is already moving out of the country. And by tomorrow 2 p.m. Sunday afternoon, it might exit the western border of the Philippine area of responsibility, and it might become a tropical storm while over the middle of the South China Sea and passing over Calayan Island Group, especially over Pag-asa Island, and it is expected to abruptly move towards the southwest, okay, to this direction, to the southwest, because of the surge of the northeast monsoon up north over China and Hong Kong, which is blowing the system, or that will blow the system southward. Okay, so here's the zoom out track of our low pressure system. Here's the fast animation, so you can clearly see that the low level center is somewhere here already to the northwest of Palawan, just past north of Puerto Princesa City, or between Puerto Princesa and Rojas, Palawan. So right now, most of its convection is located to the let me correct this. Most of its convection is located to the northwest, somewhere here, with the low-level center located here. Okay, so it's really a disorganized system, but it's still fighting to develop into a tropical depression. But we are going to check on that in the next 6 to 12 hours. But so far, this will be the track of the LPA moving out of the Philippine area of responsibility later this Sunday afternoon. And as you can see here, to the east of the Philippines, there are some numerous convection or thunderstorm clouds moving across Bicol region right now through the evening. You can see some on and off rainfall with thunderstorms. That is brought about by the wind convergence. So this wind convergence, the winds from the east, okay, winds from the east and southeast, and also the winds from the northeast monsoon is converging at this section east of the Bicol region, generating some massive thunderstorms. But based on the forecast, it will start to wane down by tomorrow as these rain bands of the wind convergence move towards the north. So the rainfall will be focused on the Cagayan Valley region beginning on Sunday to Monday. So we will observe that wind convergence. And as we look at our zoom in satellite animation from windy.com, you can clearly see here that the system is somewhere here already outside of or northwest of Palawan as it moves towards the west northwest. And this is the let me show it to you. You can see here, these are the rain bands of the wind convergence, bringing some rainfall in most parts or across most parts of the Philippine Islands. So you can see here the thick CB clouds or cumulonimbus clouds across much of the Bicol region. And as we look at our wind shear product or upper level winds, it's still quite strong here to the west of Palawan. So Vicky might be having some difficulty in developing into a tropical depression, but based on the model, it might reach TD threshold. So this is the 8 a.m. forecast for tomorrow. It will be in between Calayan Island Group and Palawan. And there is expected to bring rainfall as well over the Calayan Island Group. And on Sunday afternoon, it will eventually move out of the Philippine area of responsibility. And on Monday afternoon, it will be moving towards the Gulf of Thailand or to the south of Vietnam. Okay, so far that's the latest from our the latest on the low pressure area with named Vicky, and you can see here some rainfall as well. You can still clearly see here. Oh my God, what's that? Okay, here in the Bicol region and Eastern Visayas, there might be some improvement of the weather beginning tomorrow through Monday, based on the European model. Okay, so that's it. Before we leave you, here's the latest graph set. Today, Saturday, till tomorrow, Sunday. You can clearly see here the effects of the northeast monsoon affecting much of Luzon, while the cloudiness or the rain bands of LPA 99W or Vicky is now moving away from Visayas and soon away from Palawan. And you can clearly see here the wind convergence, which is creating some rainfall event right here in Naga City, Camarines Sur, and the whole of Bicol region. So far, this is the latest from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. And thank you for watching our YouTube channel.